Hello, hello. This will be a class about Rumba Guaguanco. We'll do very basic steps. Very briefly, I will tell you also what Rumba is about. So there are three basic styles of Rumba. We have Yambu, Guaguanco, and Rumba Colombia. Rumba Guaguanco is the most popular style that is applied in salsa. Yeah? So the whole point to learn Rumba is to be able to apply it into salsa. We'll do class during the beginner's course when we show how we apply rumba to salsa, but this time we'll concentrate purely on guaguanco music, and on guaguanco steps. But this will be very basic steps. Okay, let's start from the beginning. First important element is to bounce. In salsa we don't have bounce, in guaguanco yes. And bounce is very regular and it goes 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, and pa 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 tiki pa 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 tiki pa pa tiki pa pa. Okay, so second thing to think about is the rhythm. We have a couple of instruments in guaguanco that are playing in a very specific way. First one is clave. It's not son clave, it's rumba clave. One bit is shifted slightly. We've done a vlog about rumba. If it's not posted yet, it will be posted very soon when we explain it in more details. Then, second thing, very important when you are trying to associate with the rhythm, is kata. Kata can play in two different ways in guaguanco. It can be, I like potatoes, I don't like carrots. Or second version, I got it, I won't forget it. Okay? Another important element in the rhythm is shekere. Shekere is accenting usually 1, 1 and 5, or 1, 3, 5 and 7. So you have this 5, 6, 7, shh, tick, 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 shh, okay. It will make a lot more sense when I start playing music. And the last element of music that I should talk about is their conga drums. Yeah? They are playing a very specific pattern, and this pattern creates a melody, and it sounds like this. Kung 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 kung. Kung 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 kung. Okay, I'll show you steps and we'll try to dance basic steps, 3 basic steps with all these different rhythms, and then we'll put music in the background. So first step, we are keeping our bounce and we are opening legs to the left, come back to the center, then we open to the right and come back to the center. We keep steps relatively small. Let's start with the left. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We'll add upper body, 5, 6, 7, and pa, 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 and pa, 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 tiki pa, pa, tiki pa, pa, tiki pa, tiki pa, tiki pa, ta 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 shh 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 ta 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 ta. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Boom, 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 ba, ba, 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 boom, boom, boom. Okay. Huh? We don't need music. Um, yes, we do need music because it's a lot easier to do it when the sounds are separated, and a lot more difficult when you have to put it all together, and you have to separate it in your brain, and that's quite challenging. Um, okay, so this was our first step. This is basic to the side. Now, we have a very similar step, but instead of going side and side, we'll be doing it in a spot. So press on a spot, step down, press, step down. It's quite similar to Mambo Cubano, but there is bounce, tiki, kukun, kun, kiki, pa, 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 pa. Pa 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 and pa pa tiki pa pa tiki pa pa tiki pa pa tiki pa tiki pa. The most important about rumba pa is to remember that this is a tribal dance. It's African rooted dance, so everything is danced quite low, definitely on bent knees. Upper body is very relaxed, but it keeps moving with the rest of the body, and with legs, obviously. I'm not going to go into details of body movement because this is supposed to be class for beginners that you are able to start dancing rumba. So important to think about which direction we are moving with the rhythm, and that whole your body goes to the left and whole your body goes to the right together, including arms, ting, and shoulders, and rib cage, and hip. Tikkum, kuku, pum. And in spot, still upper body moves. When we are doing step in spot, instead of opening leg, opening arm to the side, I'm thinking only about the other arm. So I don't do extension of both. I close one and second goes up, and kum, and kum. So in this context, it's opposite arm to your foot. Pum pa pa. Pa 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 tiki pa pa tiki pa pa. Nice one. Okay, so we have 2 steps covered. Step number 3, kachan. It's called like that because of the sound in the music that shekere makes, like shh, 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 shh. So kachan, kachan. Okay, and this step happens in a very specific moment in the rhythm. Is and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now, the step. Forget about the rhythm for a moment, and let's think only about the steps. So I go back with the left, front with the right together, and back with the right, front with the left together, and back, front together, back, front together, back, front together, and back, front together. Tick, tick, pa, and tick, tick, boom, and tick, tick, pa, and tick, tick, boom. Yeah? So now we were in the rhythm 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to change this rhythm to and 1, 3, and 5, 7, keeping order of legs exactly in the same manner. So 5 start with left, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Kachan, 2, 3, kachan, 6, 7. Pa, 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 tiki pa, 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 tiki pa, pa um pa, tiki pa, um pa, tiki pa, um pa, tiki pa, um pa, tiki pa, um pa, ta 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 tatara tatara tatatara tatara tatara tatatara tatara tatara tatatara ta ta boom 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 bam boom 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 pa. Okay. I hope you got it. I know it's not easy to start thinking in different categories, but I'll just tell you interesting fact. People in Cuba, when they are learning how to dance, they don't associate any steps with numbers. They only associate it with songs and with rhythms that they can hear. Because of that, dancing becomes a lot more natural. So one of the elements, one of the skills that you would like to develop when you are dancing is to be able to produce a song on top of flat rhythm. So when you have rhythm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, fit your own rhythmical pattern in it, fit your own song in it, and be able to repeat it, and then be able to dance with it. That helps a lot. Okay, music on. Ta 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 ta, basic. Ta 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 pa 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 and spot. Basic side. And kachan. Pa 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 kachan 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 together kachan together kachan together kachan together. And basic. Hips are working, arms are working. Ribcage front. Your body position a bit forward. Low on your knees. Pa 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 pa. Okie dokie. Step by step, we'll start adding on our channel some Rumba sequences. So you can learn more steps, you can start feeling this music a lot more. This music and dance is fantastic. It's probably the most complex Cuban dance from all different perspectives, musical, rhythmical, when it comes to coordination, balance, it's very, very complex discipline. Step by step, we'll start adding new videos. If you would like to see them, subscribe to our channel, press the bell next to subscribe button, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and you can become a patron of our channel. All links in description below. See you in next time. Bye bye.